In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file to a transaction in your financial management software. Now, if you're like most people, staying organized, especially with financial documents, is crucial for effective record keeping and easy reference. Whether it's invoices, receipts, or any other supporting documents, attaching these directly to your transactions can save you a lot of time and hassle down the line. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to open up the transaction to which you want to attach your file. This might seem basic, but it's important to start on the right foot with the specific transaction that requires documentation. If you're navigating through your transaction history, make sure you've identified the correct one so that you can consolidate all related documents in one place. Once you've got the transaction open, your next step is to locate the option to attach a file. This is usually prominently featured in the transaction menu for ease of access. You might find an Attach File button or similar wording that indicates where you'll start the process of adding your document. This feature is a great tool to help you maintain a comprehensive financial record by keeping everything connected and easy to retrieve when needed. After clicking on the Attach File option, you'll be prompted to upload your document. This is where you get to choose the file you'd like to attach from your computer or device. Make sure you've prepared this document beforehand and that it's easily accessible. This will ensure a smooth uploading process. When you're uploading, consider the format of your file. Typically, PDF or JPEG formats work best as they are compact and universally accessible, ensuring that your document can be viewed without any compatibility issues. Once you've selected your file, start the upload process. You'll likely see a progress bar indicating that your file is being transferred into the system. Depending on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Be patient and avoid navigating away from the transaction page during this step to prevent any hiccups in the process. Finally, once the upload is complete, don't forget to save your changes. This step is essential to ensuring that your attached file is properly stored and linked to the transaction. You typically click a Save button, confirming that everything is updated successfully. It's a small but crucial final step that ensures all the effort you've put into attaching the file doesn't go to waste. And that's it. You've successfully attached a file to your transaction. Remember, this process not only helps you stay organized, but also makes future audits or reviews much more efficient. Keeping all supporting documents attached to their respective transactions ensures you have all the necessary information at your fingertips whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.